Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Tubi's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Tubi's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Tubi application. The official page of Tubi application will appear on the screen. Click on My Stuff and then tap on Unlock Now. From the pop-up, click on Have an Account Login option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Tubi's account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot your password, reset it here option. This is how you can log into your Tubi's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.